Good evening. Our top story tonight is the wind advisory issued by the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory, which will be in effect from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday, March 25, 2023. Southwest winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour are expected in portions of east central and southeast Indiana, northeast and northern Kentucky, and central, south central, southwest, and west central Ohio. The gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, and tree limbs could be blown down, causing a few power outages. The National Weather Service has advised people to use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle, and to secure outdoor objects. However, strong winds are not the only weather hazard to be aware of. Nighttime tornadoes can also be particularly dangerous, as they can be difficult to spot and confirm. Nocturnal tornado events can result in more fatalities because many people may miss warnings while they are asleep. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, the states that are most susceptible to nighttime tornadoes are across the southeast. Alabama has about 36% of tornado events taking place overnight, and Tennessee has the highest percentage of nighttime tornado events at 46%. Kentucky and Arkansas also have high percentages of nighttime tornado events, with 42% and 43%, respectively. From 1950 to 2005, 50% of all nighttime tornado events in Alabama were killer events, and 46% of fatalities in Alabama occurred in the overnight hours. This highlights the importance of having multiple ways to get weather warnings. The Live Alert 19 app is a great way to get alerts on your phone. Be sure to download it and set your alerts today. Stay safe, everyone.